this little emerald fantasy eating, and I did it for the low. Welcome back, y'all. As you guys just seen, that green was eating, okay? So if you follow me on TikTok, y'all, I did a blue look, and I'm gonna put it right here. It's going crazy right now. It's going viral. I love blue so much, but today that green, all right, went to Ulta, got the deep green, okay, from L'Oreal. And also, because y'all know I love a good beauty on a budget, I went and got the green from Essence. It's called I Have Green. It's saying it's 18-hour plus wear and waterproof. I love Essence. They've never done me wrong thus far, so we're gonna try this out. We're gonna get right into the look, okay? Face is on, y'all. The eyebrows are on, so we're gonna focus on the eyes today. I want to do a little bit of eyeshadow, all right? Just a little bit, because I want the green to pop, but I want it to give more of a sultry look, so let's do a little bit of eyeshadow, okay? For my eyeshadow, we're gonna also go budget friendly. This is the Toasted Aura palette. I have used this in my other tutorials. This is from Absolute New York. It is a really pretty, like, neutral type pool palette. I'm gonna go in with this first shade right here, and I'm gonna place this just all over my lid as a base, and also to kind of help give me that sultry look. I just feel like this is probably the best way to go. I'm going in with my Kaylee Beauty tapered blending brush to do so. So we're gonna do both eyes here. Almost bring it kind of like into my nose area, but we're going kind of all over the lid with it. I'm gonna next go in with the shade Balance right here, just a little darker, and place this directly on my lid. Same brush, guys. For like a pretty brown vibe. So we got two colors on the shadow. Super simple, super pretty. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that on my bottom lash. Brown eyes look beautiful with brown, so that's why I went in with these nice coffee-like brown tones to really bring out our eyes, because as y'all seen, this green is gonna pop. So now for the liner, I'm actually gonna swatch it because I haven't seen what it looked like. And this is Real Time. This is a pretty color. This is a very nice emerald shade. It's really soft and glides on pretty. I'm hoping that she does last longer than she's waterproof. So I'm gonna take this on my lower lash line first. And it glides really nice. Y'all, can you see that? I already see my eyes popping. How pretty is that? My green-eyed girlies, my brown-eyed girlies, my hazel, oh, my hazel-eyed girls. My little sister has hazel eyes. This green would eat. That is pretty. I'm gonna also go on the top as well, above my lashes. Just because I really want it to pop. And I'm gonna kind of give like a fox kind of eye vibe. But I want it really close to my lash line. Wow, like I feel like my eyes look like pools of honey right now. I'm gonna take my Kaylee Beauty, this is the detailed smoky brush, and I'm just gonna tap into that and just try to like smoke it out slightly. I will say it does dry down, which is good because you don't want it to move. It says it's waterproof. And just kind of blend her out a little bit. That is so pretty. And don't forget, let's tight line. I feel good with blue, but I feel rich with green. You know what I'm saying? This is so pretty. Let's do the other eye real fast. Next, we're gonna go in with the mascara. Like I had said before, this is that deep green from L'Oreal. I'm gonna curl my lashes first. All right, moment of truth. That's pretty because it almost looks black, but it's green. This is really pretty. And I'm really making sure I coat every single part of my lash, y'all. I did a purple look for TikTok, y'all, and y'all loved it. Y'all love purple on brown eyes, and I think it is gorgeous. I just don't like the color purple personally. But this, honey, this green, I'm getting every hair, y'all. This green is gorgeous. I feel serene, tranquil, queen, like real rich. I love this green. Let me do a second coat real quick off camera and then we'll be back. Sis, you need to try this. I don't care if you have light brown eyes in the middle like I do, dark brown eyes, I don't care. This is so pretty because it brings it out. I think it's like, there's such complementary colors anyway, like on the color wheel. This is so pretty. Honestly, y'all, this is a quick, simple video. I hope you loved it. I hope that this is something that you try. Bring some confidence. Love your brown eyes. There are really a good amount of colors that kind of help them pop and really make them do some more than just using a regular black. This was super affordable, which I love, and I know you will too. I'm always trying to save y'all some coins, okay? I'm gonna go ahead about my day, y'all, and see what the tea is, because I got a lot of compliments on the blue. I got a lot of compliments on the brown. If y'all want to see the blue and the purple, I will do it for y'all. I will. And that is all I have for y'all today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Share this with a brown-eyed, green-eyed, hazel-eyed baddie. Stay tuned for more videos. God bless and have a beautiful day.